I'd like to review for you today the Now vegetable glycerin that I use, especially during the winter months, to help moisturize my skin. This is just, you can see, it's just a clear glycerin. And what I use this product for, it's for skincare, and I will add it to my moisturizer, and it just beefs up my moisturizer and makes it so much more effective. Let me just show you a little bit of glycerin, and you see it's just kind of a liquidy consistency. You only need, that was actually probably too much in all honesty. You just need one drop, little drop of this product added to a moisturizer. I guess you could use it straight and plain if you wanted to. I'm going to rub it on the back of the other hand too. You could use it plain if you wanted to, but it is a fantastic addition to your moisturizer and to your winter skincare routine. I absolutely have loved it. And this one bottle, I have added it to, I've given it away. I have gifted it to other people. It lasts forever because when I say one little baby drop into whatever your favorite moisturizer is, one little drop into the moisturizer, and it is going to really boost the benefits of that moisturizer. It definitely has for me. This softens and moisturizes. It does have multiple purposes, but that's exactly what I use it for, and I love the Now brand. It's wonderful, and I use it all the time. Put it in your cart today.